Okay, I'm just up here on this Cliplok roof, and they've got some solar panels here, so I'll be able to put my flat pipe under a lot of that and get mostly under all of that, except for where the downlights are, because obviously we need to miss those. And then over here, I just wanted to point out a few things. We haven't even started here on this roof, but like a lot of the, somebody's lifted these sheets up before, and it's very easy to kink them, but you can see all the silicone that's around the ridge capping, right? Because they've had a leak and they're trying to find the leak, right? So it's obviously leaked before, and we've got more silicone over here on these sheets here where they damaged the kink of their sheet when they kinked it, right? And that's fairly common. There's another kink there, more kinks there. And if we go over the roof, we walk down the roof, there's quite a few of these kinks in the roof. Like so, you can see that one there, right? And then the next one, and then this one, right? And then this one, right? And then those ones, and that one, right? So it's yeah, I've just put my hammers up here. I'm just about ready to start, but so just letting the owner know that hey, somebody's been up here before me and damaged some sheets. But other than that, I mean, it still looks like it's watertight, and we'll hop in and do our job and pump the roof full of cellulose fibre.